Yeah? Debris. Lots of debris. Debris is trash. Filthy. Dirty. All summer long. People be cleaning. Cleaning. People don't want to touch it. They say it's toxic. Toxic. People be cleaning all summer. We gotta get rid of the trash. That's what we have to do. Get rid of the trash. Behind that bridge, that's the Burton Bridge. And guess what happened behind that bridge? As they say in the flood, during an emergency or an event, a disaster, it brings the volunteers out. It brings the people out. Even the Irvings. They even have the front page. 30 pizza giving from Domino's Pizza to the Irving refinery workers. Okay, focus, Charles. It brings people with a heart. But there's idiots. It also brings the human rats from the shore, from the river, and elsewhere. Fucking assholes. They caught last night a guy, 3 guys with masks on, going into a home that was, they thought there was nobody there. People that the government says get out of the house before the big flood. There was a guy that stayed behind. He caught 3 guys with flashlight. They caught the 3 guys in the canoe. They caught them last night right behind there. Right behind that bridge. Now, what did they do? Oh, young offenders. Oh, can't mention their names. Oh, little boys maybe. Who knows what they'll do? Look at that building behind you. The Burton Courthouse. They'll bring them there. Then next thing you know, they'll start crying in front of the judge. Oh, we got caught. Oh, never mind the courthouse. These assholes, my opinion only, should be hung by the balls right off the Burton Bridge. That's what should happen. But no, this is Canada. We don't do that no more. But really, what a bunch of assholes, I tell you.